Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video will be a unboxing video. This is a very humble unboxing. Like I'm not the biggest. I don't spend a lot of money on makeup, and I signed up for this subscription box, which is free. It's called Influencer, and I've been with them for a few years, and I really haven't gotten good things. Like some people get lots of makeup, you know, high-end makeup. Some people get fragrances and stuff like that, but I usually get like rice, fruit juice, stuff like that, samples, size things. So this box that came in today, I was totally not expecting this. I did do a quiz a couple months ago, a couple months ago, and I never got an email from them saying it was being shipped out, or I was on the list or anything like that. So I just literally just blew it out of my mind because, you know, maybe I just didn't get accepted. And then today I get an email saying I got a package in my apartment building. So I was like, let me just go see. I thought it was something I ordered. And so I get home and I open this box, and this is the box. Are y'all reading what I'm reading? Like, I'm so humbled by this. This is not even like a joke. Like, it's not a game. Like, I don't get makeup like this. I don't. I'm so humbled. Like, I don't get stuff like this at all. Like, unless I'm paying for it. Like, I don't get this. It's this Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Like, I cannot believe that I have this in my hand. Like, I'm so humble, y'all. Like, it's no joke. So let's open the box together. So you open the box, and you get the card. So it's the card. Introducing Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Covergirl set out to create a foundation that truly works for all skin types. So we talked to people from all different backgrounds about what their skin really needed. And from listening to their stories, we created True Blend Matte Made. The key benefits of this foundation is oil free, so you don't get shiny living your life. Transfer resistant, aka won't rub off on your favorite white tee. Pore minimizing for your skin that's smooth and even. Comfort wear, so you can put it on and not think about it for the rest of the day. It comes in 40 different shades, and it comes in light, medium, tan, and deep. Right there at the bottom. So I got this. And you know, here's what you really see. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it. So you open the black bag. I don't even see what's going on here. I know I see something white, but I don't see what's going on here. You're fucking kidding me. So I got the freaking Skin Smoothing Primer by Covergirl. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. I got the freaking foundation. I got D70. This is crazy to me. Nothing else. So y'all don't understand. I feel like I got the big PR package. Like, that's how I feel. Like, this is what I got from them. You're kidding me. Granted, this foundation is too dark. I wear D60. But I freaking have it, though. Like, they sent this to me. This is crazy. It's damn near the same color. This is more neutral, though. And this D60 is more pink. So let's apply the base. It smells like lotion, and it is tacky. So I'm gonna do my brows, and I'll be back. Brows on. So next we're gonna go into the foundation. This is Comfort Matte Transfer Resistant Foundation. I think it has a 16-hour wear, or 12-hour wear. I probably won't wear it for 12 hours, but I'll have a test for you. So when I usually wear, I usually do about that much. 2 lines, a dot, and a little something right there. And I usually almost always apply with my foundation brush. So I love the coverage. I've worn it plenty of times, but I do see after one layer I need to have a little spot on my nose. I need to touch that up. So we're not fighting. So I'm gonna use my beauty sponge and just do my nose, because that is always a problem for me. With whatever foundation I use. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Covergirl Queen Collection in medium. I'm going to bronze with my Covergirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze. And I'll be right back with the blush and lashes. I'm going to line my waterline with the Covergirl Katy Perry Catty Cat Eye in Midnight Matte. So this is my finished look with lashes and everything on. So I don't have a CoverGirl lipstick, and I thought I did, but that's why I didn't do the lips on camera. But this is everything. So it is 5:16. So maybe by 9 o'clock I'll come back and show you what my face looks like. I won't be doing anything. I'll be in the house, but I'll probably be cooking dinner. But I just wanted to show you all. I'm so fresh, y'all. I'm so humbled. Y'all don't understand. Like, I don't have a platform. I just do hair and makeup for a living. But to get this package means so much to me. Like, so I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is, well, not today. So we're back with the wear test. So I think I came to y'all around 5:15-ish. I don't know. But now it is 12:41 a.m. It's the next day. So I had this foundation on for about a little over 7 hours. This is what it's looking like. Of course my nose is shiny. That is just something I cannot avoid. Like, it's just really shiny. That is literally the only shiny part on my face. Everything is just matte. Like, not matte, but like skin. Like, not even my chin. Nothing. Everything's looking pretty good for a 7-hour test. So that is my word test. I hope y'all enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.